Hey guys, welcome back to our fifth episode of Tea Time with me. This is Ghazal, and today we are going to talk about 5 places in Qatar which impressed me with their amazing customer services and made me return to them again and again. Not only customer service, but my review also includes ambience and in-store collection. And for the bonus, you actually don't need to pretend to be rich or look rich just to receive a welcoming smile or attentive staff. So keep watching. Spill drink as Cupid and the sound of her first chime. Good customer service is the lifeblood of any business. You can offer discounts or run as many promotions as you want to bring in new customers, but if your customer service is poor, customers won't return back. There are many brands in Qatar which are famous for their poor customer service, and even if their product is the best product, many people ignore stepping into the store if they have ever experienced rude behavior or have been ignored by the staff. But today, we are not talking about the brands who are famous for their poor customer service. Today, we are focusing on the brands where I felt they offered really good customer service, and because of that, I am their regular customer. So, let's start. I'm a huge fan of the brands and places who train their staff to give a sincere, welcoming smile. A smile which says, I am glad to see you. We all know a sincere smile is contagious and it uplifts the mood of the customers too. And when our mood is good, we end up shopping more, isn't it? Because I have experienced it many times. So I'll start with the one which is my most favorite shopping destination in Qatar, not only because they have amazing customer service, but also because they have almost everything under one roof of fashion lovers, and that is Debenhams. I'm a frequent visitor at Debenhams and I love the efficiency and small details that go into their retail services. The store looks modern, trendy and spacious and easy to move around in. I love the way their staff makes me feel. They have very approachable presence, humble body language, and I don't know if it's just me or all the visitors can feel the same, that staff at Debenhams has sincere smile on their face. And honestly, that's one of those places in Qatar where I rush for shopping when I know I don't have enough time to browse around, because they have amazing collection of fashionable and trendy outfits. They also have good ranges of beauty brands. I also like their bedsheet collection. They are unique and good in quality. Do visit the store and let me know how your experience was. My second most favorite store to visit is Mango, the mall branch. I love their customer service and their staff is so friendly and helping, and they always makes my shopping experience easy, fast and happy. And I'll be really honest, I visit that branch because I'm super confident that the mall branch of Mango has the best customer service compared to their other stores in Qatar. Though the store is little small, but that's fine with me if I get a good customer service. Don't forget to visit them. Next is Jarir Bookstore, located at the Jeddah Square, is one of my favorite places to buy electronics and stationery products. That's one of those places in Qatar where I spend more time than I planned, because they have a library inside and my daughter likes to spend a little more time there to read her favorite books. The store looks clean, modern and it is incredibly spacious. I love their staff because they are very attentive and the vibes of the store is amazing and peaceful. The best part about Jarir Bookstore is that you don't have to find somebody to assist you, as they always have plenty of staff to take care of you. Do visit them. If there is a place I should be giving 10 out of 10 for welcoming the customer from the entry point, it's Malabar Gold and Diamond Store, located at the old airport road. They always have plenty of staff to welcome the visitor from the entry point and proceed to guide them to the right counter. I have shopped multiple times from Malabar Gold and Diamond Store, and they have a wonderful collection of different types of jewelries in gold and diamond. The amazing fact is that apart from the heavy diamond jewelries which is meant for the brides, they also have variety of daily wear collection. Overall, it's a wonderful and satisfactory place to buy gold and diamond jewelry. The only downside is it's such a famous place that generally weekends are packed. Do visit them and let me know how did you find it. The next is luxury signature. If you are looking for a perfect gift for men around you, I would highly recommend this place. I'm a frequent visitor of their store and I generally go there when I'm looking for unique gift item. They are located at DFC and they have a decent customer service. Their store is also decent in size and has an aesthetic interior. You might find them little pricey, but that's fine with me because I generally prefer to gift something which is not easily available everywhere and looks interesting. Do visit them. Also try Red Tech showroom located at the old airport road. They have amazing customer service and almost everything under one roof for fashion lovers. Red Tech is one of those shopping destinations which offers fashionable and trendy stuff without hurting your wallet too much. Do check them out. Apart from these places, there are brands who had the best customer service, but since they have changed their staff, their customer service has fallen down so badly that I had to discontinue visiting them. We will discuss these brands in our upcoming episodes of Tea Time with me, so stay tuned. That is all for today, and never forget to praise the brands and places where you receive amazing customer service to boost the motivation of the staff, because I always do that. Let me know in the comment section below which are the places where you have experienced best or worst customer service, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a lovely day.